See now, this application is there. Right now, you will see live application is like this only, na guys, right? Small kind of application I have given you guys as an example, and this I am deploying in my Azure virtual machines as IaaS services. IaaS services, okay, fine. If you want it for Python, then you have to use Python frameworks. Okay, so I'll just stop it. This one, this application, I'm going to show you how I'm going to finally deploy this in my Azure virtual machines. Okay, that too for multi-stage release pipelines. I'll stop this one. Okay, now two servers are ready. See, dev and QA both are ready. I'll deploy one more server called prod. Machine name, let us take it as prod. I'll take it as this one. I'll take it as standard. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going ahead and I'm deploying this prod server as well. Okay, so it is saying the quota is not available. I know this very well. So I'll just change this location. This is the problem with the free trial. It is saying that already 2 VMs you have deployed in East US region, and when I'm going for the third VM in the same region, it got failed. It is said that quota is not available for you because you are a free trial guy. If you are paid one, then it's a different case. You are a free trial, that's why it failed me. So I'm also very smart. What I have done, I've changed the region itself only. That's it. Now it got succeeded, and I'll deploy my VM. Like this, ideas like this maturity you will get, guys, only when you do the practice, when you start working in the real-time projects. This is what we call it as experience, okay? To understand and to resolve the issues what you are getting.
నేను రిలీజ్ ఉన్న టైంలో అన్ని జస్ట్ వచ్చారు వచ్చి పక్కన కూర్చొని రివ్యూ చేసే డాక్యుమెంట్ని అది తప్పు ఇది తప్పు అది తప్పు ఇది తప్పు అని చెప్పి మొత్తం డాక్యుమెంట్ పక్కన పెట్టుకొని మొత్తం ఇది చేసింది తప్పు అన్నట్టు చెప్పారు అన్నమాట. నేను వాళ్ళకి బేస్ డాక్యుమెంట్ మండే ఇచ్చాను. వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రైడే రిలీజ్ పెట్టుకొని మండే వేస్తే మండే ఇంత ఏం పీకారా మరి. నేను అంతా మెయిల్ అదే పెట్టా సాయంత్రం వచ్చే ముందు చేసిన రిపోర్ట్ అంతా పెట్టుకోకపోయినాను. పేర్లు పెట్టాను, ఫస్ట్ డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంట్లో పదవడం అవుతాను.
Okay, deployment is completed. Now go to home, go to virtual machines, and see here you're having all 3 VMs, dev, QA, and prod. All 3 VMs are ready here. Okay, fine. It is still showing us creating the process. I'll just take a refresh. Yeah, it is running now. Fine. Now what is the next step? The next step is that, you know, create a deployment groups, provisioning of the deployment groups. I'll create 3 deployment groups, okay, for 3 of my servers. Okay, I'll come to my project, practice project. I'll come to pipelines. I'll say here deployment groups, and then I'll go for the deployment groups. Okay, I'll say here dev DG, dev deployment group. Okay, description you can pass it on accordingly as per your choice, and then click on create to generate the script. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come here and first I'll connect to my virtual machines. Okay, let's close this one. I'll connect to my virtual machines here. Dev, I'll connect first, then QA, then prod. In a sequential order, I'm just connecting to different servers here. Okay. I'll say here dev and the password. This is the password I have given for all the 3 servers, right? Okay, dev, then QA, then prod. The password is same for all 3 servers. Okay, I'll go and I'll connect to QA server. Same, I'll connect to QA server also. Guys, if you have done the practice for all the classes, then you can easily catch up the things what we are doing. If you have not done the practice, then I myself tell you that you will find it difficult what is going on. Okay, password. Okay, connecting to dev server. This is what my dev server, right? And this is going to be my QA server. And next, I'm going to connect to the prod server also. Okay, 3 servers, dev, QA, and prod. Okay, very nice demo, guys. Absolutely real-time example demo, which helps you a lot for your interviews point of view if you are practicing it. Okay, so I will close this one. Okay, this is my QA server, and this is my prod server. Fine. So what I'll do now, I'll come to my deployment groups. I'm going to create a script for my dev server deployment group. Click on create. Okay. Select this one and then say here, copy to clipboard. Come here inside your dev server and execute the script. Okay. Why we are doing this script execution? Because we are planning to, okay, establish a connection between our servers and Azure DevOps pipelines, not PowerShell ISC. Take normal PowerShell only. This also you can use, it's upon your choice, but I'll take PowerShell app. Okay, paste it, hit enter. Patiently establish a connection. Don't be hurry worry. Don't do the things ghastly. Okay, same what I'll do. I'll come here and I will create a deployment group. Okay, new for QA also. QA underscore DG. Click on create. Okay, and then say here and execute. Okay, hit enter. Okay, Khaja, what is your question? Just wanted to add for your statement in recent interview, like you mentioned, the first question was tell me about work items, process, and work items you worked on. Ditto question was asked. I answered, but the interviewer was asking about pipelines which sessions didn't happen. Okay. Yes, Azure DevOps is this only, na guys? Right? They will ask you this only. This is expected things, no doubt in that. If you read it, if you practice it, then you can handle it. Okay. Material is given, guys. Just read the material and by recordings, do the practice. Two things only you have to do. Okay. Just keep entering here. Now see the connection has been established successfully. Azure pipelines connection has been established to this server. Same we'll do it for dev server also. Okay. Okay. PSTS agents, everything. Okay, got installed successfully, got established the Azure DevOps pipelines with this VM. Now come here and if you go to deployment groups, here you should show two onlines. Yes, two. Then next new, one more, I am going to create it for prod, prod DG, deployment group. Now copy this script as well, come here and paste it. Okay. Peacefully, patiently establish the connection with your Azure DevOps pipelines. Okay. If you do hurry burry and if the connection is not established properly, then your CI/CD pipelines will get failed continuously, guys. You have to break your head. Okay. So every step matters. Every step is important. So whenever you are doing it, okay, do it with a peace of mind and with a concentration also. Don't keep Instagram beside you or running Insta on your mobile and doing the labs. Okay, it won't give any concentration. Especially we adults are absolutely addicted to mobile phones, no doubt. Adults and kids also. Fine. This is done now. If I come here now to DevOps and if I see that all the prod it is not still showing as online, just wait and say here refresh. It should come online here. Yeah. Now see prod also came online. Provision of release pipeline. Okay, step 3 is provisioning of the release pipeline. So come to release here, see